Hello, assalamu alaikum. Thank you everybody for watching this video. Today I'll show how to make this design in AutoCAD 2017. This is a 2D design. So we'll do it. Before going here, I'll go here for taking the new file. New drawing is showing. So press here. Okay, done. This is a plan drawing. So we are going here center and radius. Circle is taken. I'm taking a circle whose radius will be 50. When I draw it, then this one is going here. Then move it, enter, click here, enter, and go to the center. Then I'm going to move it here. After that, I want to go here and select the polygon. Here the four side is showing. I'll take it this side, enter, going to the circle, and here showing the center point. Click here. Then inscribed in circle. I'm selecting this one, sketch it. After that, I'm going to the array. I'm going here. Polar array is selected. Click on this triangle, enter, and click on the center of this circle. Now I'm going to the selecting the item. I'm taking 20 items. Then close array. Okay, done. After that, I want to going here again, circle, sketch a circle up to here. Then I want to go again, select the polygon, sketch, and this showing the sides, enter. Then here the center point is showing, inscribed in circle, sketch. Okay, done. After that, I'm going again to the polar array, select this triangle, enter, and click on this center of this circle. I want to take the item number is also 20. Then close the array, done. Again, I want to take the circle, sketch up to this, and the polygon is taken. Here three sides is showing, so enter. Then sketch a triangle, inscribed in a circle. Okay, done. Going to the array, click on this triangle, enter, and click on the center of the circle, and take this. The triangle items is 20. Then close the array. Okay, done. Then I want to change the color, that's why I'm taking the layer. Then going here, and I'm taking the one. The first one is taking the red. Okay. Second layer, 2. And again, rename to, enter. Taking this color is okay, yellow. Then again another color, enter. I'm taking this one is green. Done. Then close it. Then going here, selecting the word, click it. Yeah. Escape, close, going here, selecting the color, done. Close it. Okay, we are creating the some problems, so I want to select everything and plot. Select the explode. Now I want to select this portion. After this portion, going here, selecting the red. Okay, red one is selected. Again going here, red. Now done. Okay. Then after that, I'm selecting the red one. I'm selecting this one is the J. Enter. Join. Done. Then I want to select every portion. This portion is selected. So going here and taking this color. Similarly, selecting all this color. And I want to take this color. Done. You're watching the design. So thank you everybody for watching this video. I think you are enjoyed this drawing. We can join all things. So select, then J, then enter. Now this are joined. Thank you everybody for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel, like, comment and share.